Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change the drive letter of HDD, SSD, DVD and USB pendrive in any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by going to this PC. So you can see here I have a different device. So you can see here I have a DVD drive. So it's being labeled with the letter F. As you can see here, the DVD, that is the optical DVD drive, is being labeled as F, and you can see the Windows where I have installed my Windows is labeled as C, so you can call it a C drive also. And I have created partitions like a files drive which is labeled as D drive and recovery image as labeled as E drive. So how you can change this letters? So for this, what you need to do, just head over your mouse cursor to the start menu, just click on it and search for one program named as computer management. So you can see here computer management, just search this program, just click on it to open this program. Now you can see here computer management. So on the left panel you can see one option written as disk management. Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds until the enter drives list has been shown to you. So now you can see here the different drives, right? So you can see different hard disk drives and the optical drives. So say I want to change the level of this optical drive, then just right click on it and you can see here option change drive letter and ports. Just click on it. Now at present is in the with the letter F, right? Now you can get an option here, add, change or remove. You can remove the letter also, or you can directly click on change, and here you can select the different options that you want to change. Say the present is F, so since I will try to change it to T, say, and I will just click on OK. It's asking me to continue. Yes. Wait for a few seconds. So let's go to the disk PC and check whether it's changed or not. So finally you can see here it's being changed to T, right? So let's restore it back to the letter F. So just click on again on the change drive letter and port. Just click on change. Just move back to the option. We'll just change it back to the F letter. Click on OK. Click yes. It will be changed back to F letter. Let's check it out by going to this PC. Now you can see here it changed back to the letter F. So similarly with the rest you can do the same thing. Just when you right click and you can just select this option, change drive letter and port, and click on change and select the respective letters and click on OK to continue, and it will be changed to your desired drive letter. So in this way you can change the drive letter of HDD, SSD, DVD or any USB pendrives in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known how to change the drive letters of the HDD, SSD, DVD and USB pendrives in any Windows computer, then you can try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.